Dumelang, hey guys, welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to be showing you how to do a crochet wig. So all you're going to need is a crochet needle, a foam head and a liner wig cap. You can find these caps at Clicks. I made these wand curls myself, and if you're wondering how to make your own, just check out my previous video. I'm sure we all know how to crochet by now, but if you happen to want a more detailed video, I'll link that video in the description bar below so you can check it out. As you can see, I double loop the hair just to make it more secure. If you don't want your wig to be too bulky, make sure you space out each hair like I'm doing in this video, and you'll see why later. So once I'm done installing the hair, I start to trim it to give it some shape. The amount of times you separate your curls will depend on how big you want your wig to look. So I wanted mine to be quite fluffy and to have a bit of volume. So I separate each curl 4 times. This will also allow you to cover the wig tracks. So yeah, that's basically it. I hope you guys found this video helpful. Like and subscribe if you enjoyed, and I'll see you in my next video. Peace!